Good morning, YouTube. This is Jeremy from Flatware Creations. I just wanted to show you guys real quick an easier way that I found to make our fork snails. So just real quick, I'm going to take you to my anvil, and I'm just going to take and flatten the fork out, mainly just the head, using my nylon plier. And that's all the hammering I'm going to do on that guy. So it's pretty flat. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now let's take you right over here. Okay, so what I'm set up here right now is I have my 2-ton arbor press. I have my Flatwareables press system. And I'm using the largest cutout on my block. So I'll just get that in there. And this doesn't have to be perfect. Each one comes out different, but we're just gonna make this real easy. I'm gonna use the pair of the whatever pliers these are, automotive pliers. These are showing their age. They're about 4 years old now. And just want to make sure you get all of this. Okay, we're going to start with the pattern side. Normally, well, we'll always go up. So our first bend is going to be with pattern up. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take this and flip it right over. Bend it again, and I'm going to pull it down. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to adjust my arm. So I'm going to be using my left arm to pull down, and I'm going to use my right arm over the top, kind of pat that down. Some of them are easy enough. This is silver plated. Some of them are easy enough that you can just fold over by hand. Or if you want the really nice tight spiral. Just work that around through the middle. I've been using this with some of my real thick pieces that I can't really turn into anything else. And it's been doing a really good job. So what we have now is we have a nice spiral. I take it to where, let's see if you can see that there. The body here, the shell, is just behind the row where the teeth start, or where the prongs start. So what I'm gonna do now, zoom out of this, I'm gonna use my tine bender. I'm going to take my pliers and I put them, let's see, for the first step, I'm going to put them in through the shell and underneath. That's going to give me the leverage I need to get in here and bend these right around backwards. And I bend it all the way down. We'll do this one. And by using the pliers this way, it really saves on your hands. Now I'm just finishing the bend around. Okay, now I'm going to go with my pliers underneath the leg and in here. Just like that. That's going to allow me to get my leverage to go up with these guys. And I'm going to turn out just a little bit. So we'll go. Going to go right up and towards out. So there's my rough snail. Let's come back over here to the vise. I'm just in the process of making some more octopus, so I got my tank of water here. So what I'm looking for first is to make sure my snail is sitting nice. See, he's got one leg up here. Well, they don't have legs. It's called a foot. So there. Now he's sitting straight. Everything's kind of touching. Now I'm going to roll the eyes. I'm going to take my pliers, and I generally like to run them backwards. Make my little curl there. Get them about even. The snails don't have to be perfect. And I'll use my flat nose pliers, and I like to just grab them here. I'm grabbing the circle that I just made, and I'm twisting it out. And there we go. We got a nice, cute little snail. And in just a couple minutes. So I think we're at 6 minutes and 33 seconds. The fastest one I made, I think, was about 3 or 4 minutes. But I was also doing 15 or 20 of them at the same time. So, yeah, nice little snail. They're lots of fun, and a nice part is the foot open like that will fit on flower pots, little kitchen plant vases, whatever. All right, have a good day, everybody, and I hope that you like and subscribe. And one of the videos here, whichever one, wherever it's at, I can never remember where it goes. I hope you guys all have a great day. Bye.